Welcome to NONSTOP Locksmith. My name is Michael, and today we're going to talk about how we duplicate keys. We use a direct machine, so it's manual instead of some of those automatic machines. They're a little bit nicer in the terms of quality key they can produce. The key I'm using today is for this lock right here by MTech, and all we do is we put it into the first slot. We grab a key to duplicate, put it in, check the bumpers. Notice that they are now lined up so that there's no gap. Put on our safety goggles and we can cut your key. We calibrate our machines every 50 keys or every 2 days, and they produce fantastic cuts.